Muling isusumite ng palasyo mga pangalan ng cabinet officials at iba pang itinalagang opisyal ng gobyerno sa Commission on Appointments. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda matapos muling mabinbin ang confirmation ni COA Commissioner Heidi Mendoza sa komisyon. Muling nabigo si Mendoza na makalusot sa panggigisa ng komisyon dahil may mga si Senador Jinggoy Estrada. Bukod kay Mendoza, hindi pa rin lumulusot sa kumpirmasyon ng komisyon sina DNR Secretary Ramon Paje, Justice Secretary Leila De Lima at DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman.
Continue to submit their names to Congress. We believe that these cabinet members have been fulfilling their jobs and they will continue to explain to the Commission on Appointments if there's a necessity to do so. And with respect to Commissioner Heidi Mendoza, she has done I think as her role as Commissioner of COA also, she has done a good job together with Chairman Grace Tan.